No way.
I'm saying yeah.
Whoa.
Murphy Door customers are the most visionary, creative customers on the planet. So as the marketing and content team at Murphy Door, we're always trying to match their enthusiasm and show people what is possible with our products. So we came up with the idea of doing a Minecraft playroom.
To start, it's gonna be a secret entrance with a Murphy Door quick kit into a game den.
And then one of my favorite features in this game den is gonna be a nether portal, and that will lead to a Minecraft tunnel with gray rocks, which then comes out into the Minecraft world. There are going to be a few focal points in this world. The first one we have here is our giant Minecraft tree. And we've gotten the help of our friends at HPC Construction because Neffy and I are not construction workers. So they're helping us put together this. They're helping us put together the cave that will also serve as a reading nook. And we're gonna have a workshop area over in this corner by Neffy.
And this corner is going to have a Murphy bed, believe it or not.
So the two challenges that we're facing with this project are one, Neffy and I are not builders or remodelers or DIYers really of any kind. So that'll be fun. And number two, how much time do we have to do this?
We have 2 weeks.
2 weeks. And then we're gonna be bringing our kids and showing it off and amazing everybody. So just you wait. So now that we've got the basic tree base and the cave in, the next step is to paint everything. So HPC is gonna help us paint the big room, and then Neffy and I are gonna paint the tunnel and the game den. Let's go. How much time do we have left today?
We have about an hour today.
An hour?
An hour to get the whole project done.
By whole project, he just means we need to get the first coat on this tunnel and hopefully on this room. So today, day 2, we gotta put a second coat on this, and then we have to figure out how to make pixels all over these walls. So good luck to us.
We're thinking about basically getting these thin sheet plastic pieces and cutting out little tiny rectangles to kind of make the pixels for the stones.
The other idea we have is to make little rectangular or square stamps, and then we'll stamp the paint and press it on the wall. It's a lot trickier though, because then you're basically hand painting the entire texture of the wall to some degree. So we'll see which method works the best.
So we're thinking about doing this giant sheet. It's like a foam covered plastic instead of those plastic sheets. Definitely a lot easier to cut.
One eternity later.
So technically we failed in trying to cut out little squares on those pieces of foam. So we came up with the idea of actually printing the picture on our Murphy Door vinyl printer. And this guy right here is gonna print it out for us. Oh, and then we're gonna cut it out. We're gonna cut out the little squares, which is actually pretty smart. This is day 2 of painting the Minecraft cave. We're halfway there.
They drained me.
So we're about halfway through the time we have. Neffy finished the tunnel yesterday. We have these really fun motion sensitive torches, which are great. The tunnel's all painted. We just laid the grass this morning. We can't do all of it because we still have to wrap the tree with our vinyl stickers to make it look like a Minecraft tree. And then we have to build our mountain over in the corner. But this is like the easiest part, honestly. And then right now, Neffy and I are building our villager house, which we'll cover with stickers as well. The instructions on this are not very good. Pretty good. All right, so we learned a critical lesson with the tunnel here, which is this stuff takes forever. So now we are going to be printing on as much as we can. This is just a printed vinyl sticker, like a wrap you'd put on a car. And we did the tree trunk already. Now we're gonna do the tree canopy next, which is gonna go under here. And then we will put some boxes on top, put some vinyl wrap on the boxes, and we'll have a square blockish tree.
We have less than 3 days to finish this room, and today we're doing some of the biggest stuff, which is the mountain right here. Rob is working on that right now. And the other Rob is working on the mural for that back mountain wall. despite what you guys might have believed, we actually finished the room. Starting with this Murphy door, leading into this nether game room. And we have a surprise right here with a secret door.
As we step through the nether portal, we enter the Minecraft tunnel with our torches and the pixels we painstakingly painted on the walls. We even have a minecart track here on the floor. And then, as we enter the Minecraft world, the first thing we see is the centerpiece of the tree, which, as you saw, took a ton of work. I am super proud of this thing.
The biggest feature we added in this room was this Minecraft mountain. But we added a little secret reading nook behind this hidden panel Murphy door. As you can see, we're kind of tired. Our 2-week deadline was hard, but we did it. So let us know down in the comments which project we should do next.
We have a lot of ideas, but we would love your input. And if you want to check those out, hit subscribe so you can see the next build. Also, a huge shout out to our Murphy Door family who helped us accomplish all of this, especially Robert, who will never print another sticker for us again.
Until the next one.